In this video, I'll show you 5 easy ways to make your Android phone more secure, and they only take a few minutes to set up. Let's get started. The very first thing is to make sure you're using a strong screen lock. If you're still using just a swipe or no lock at all, you're putting your data at serious risk. Go to Settings. Tap on Security and Privacy. Then Lock Screen. And then select Screen Lock option. Let us look them one by one. The first is PIN. Tap on PIN and type PIN for your device. The second option is Password. Choose a strong password. Third option is Pattern. Draw a pattern of your own choice. It should not be too simple. Similarly, if your mobile supports face recognition, you may turn on this feature. Select it and will access your mobile phone camera to recognize your face. You can select fingerprint as well. If you want to configure fingerprints, go back and select fingerprint from Screen Lock menu. Please remember that if you forgot any one of the mentioned options, then you will need to restart your phone and all your data will be erased, so be careful. Next up, make sure Find My Device is turned on. This helps you locate your phone if it's ever lost or stolen, and even lets you lock or erase it remotely. Here's how. Go to Settings. Tap on Security and Privacy. And select Lost Device Protection. And check the option, Allow this device to be found. You can test it anytime by visiting google.com/android/find on a computer or another phone. Select your device, and it will show your phone location in Google Map. It's one of those things you don't think about until you really need it, and when you do, it's a lifesaver. Another layer of protection is Google Play Protect. This built-in feature scans your apps and phone for harmful activity. To check it, open the Google Play Store. Tap on your profile picture. Then go to Play Protect. Tap Scan. If it's not already enabled, it'll automatically check apps in the background and warn you about anything suspicious. No extra app needed, it's already built in. Now let's talk about app permissions. Some apps ask for way more access than they need, like a flashlight app wanting access to your camera and microphone. To keep things safe, review permissions regularly. Go to Settings. Tap on Security and Privacy. And then look for Permissions Manager or App Permissions. Here a list of resources is given. The number of apps which has access to specific resource is given. Let us see which application have access to location. We see 12 applications are allowed. Click on Location. And all these apps can access your phone location. If something doesn't make sense, just turn off the permission. Last but definitely not least, avoid installing apps from unknown sources. If you've ever enabled Install from Unknown Sources, go into your settings. Tap on Security and Privacy. Then More Security Settings. And there is option, Install Unknown Apps. And make sure it's turned off for everything you don't trust. Stick with the Play Store and you'll avoid a lot of unnecessary risk. Hope you learned from this video. For more such videos, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for being with us.